In this episode, I'm talking to the new CEO, COO, VP, for example, that want to drive change in their organization, realizing they need to get people's engagement, which starts with safety. Stay tuned for more. Hey, my name is Johan Mylov. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. I'm out here walking and thinking about the situation for somebody who's a new CEO, COO, or VP in an organization, for example, and trying to create some change, a drive towards something new, a future. And what comes to mind then is how do you make sure people will actually go all in on that? Well, number one is to make sure that people are safe, right? And there's a difference between being safe and feeling safe than people talking about it. If it looks like this, for example, in a workplace, I can guarantee you that people don't think that they are safe, even though you will talk about it as if they are. I was fairly recently in a plant working, and I was actually hurt. So I got a door shut in my back, an inch from my spine, and it hurt a lot, right? And they wrote some type of safety documentation around that. And that was the last time I ever heard anything about that. However, the plant told me every day that safety is number one. And it wasn't. So how do you solve that? Well, implementing a culture of safety is not that easy to do. It requires some new thinking, some input. And if you're going to do it fast, it has to be something that is tried before, because you don't have to learn where you are. You can steal influences from other places. So I suggest if you recognize this situation, you want to drive change, but you need to make sure people are safe, I suggest you contact me and we can talk about that. And like and share this video, and as always, thank you for listening.